Do you like K-pop and K-drama? Have you felt frustrated because you don't know Korean? How about trying to learn some Korean? This is a textbook used by King Sejong Institute. The King Sejong Institute is the leading institute for Korean language and culture education. This is Sejong Korean. This textbook comes in 8 volumes. Sejong Korean is the official textbook of the King Sejong Institute, which has 172 branches in 56 countries. This book will help you learn Korean speaking, reading, writing, and listening comprehension skills. Now, let's take a look at the book. Sejong Korean is composed of 12 chapters. The chapters are based on common, everyday situations, such as talking to someone on the phone, asking someone how they're doing, and asking for directions. In Sejong Korean Volume 1, there is a chapter called Yesterday's Activities that teaches the past tense. Here you will learn how to ask someone what they did yesterday. You can learn vocabulary and grammar from a real conversation and answer various exercise questions. There are also listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities. When you finish the chapter, you will be able to understand various related expressions. How is it? Easy, right? Altogether, it should take you 90 hours to master this textbook. The textbook also offers an online learning program allowing you to study Korean on your own. You can view a free ebook and follow an online program on the Korean language educational website Nuri Sejong Hakdang. You can also download free audio files for listening practice. Sejong Korean's ebook is available in 6 languages, so give it a try. Try learning Korean with Sejong Korean now. Learn to better appreciate K-pop and K-drama with Sejong Korean.